at the ice skating rink. It's Jay and Ben Central, back for more. There's Ben.
Shut up.
He's got the puck on his stick. He's amazing. There's Jay. There's some freaky Sam kid.
What?
You're a nerd. So you better leave because this is a no nerds facility. There's an amazing puck. There's Ben being a nerd. I'm gonna give him the camera in a minute. The dangerous slide. There's the puck. You quit that slap shot or I'll kick you off. Oh! What a jerk! Thinks it's so cool hitting my skate. Well, he's got another thing coming. I hope that puck just goes over. Laugh. You bring that puck anywhere near me, and I will tell somebody about that. You shoot it over, you can get it. This guy's a jerk. You touch that again, you're gone. Hey, put. All right, good. Stop. Wow, what a minute. All right, here we are. Skating rink. And now Ben's gonna take over the camera with a shot. That was amazing. Yes, you are. You take it. You take the camera. Take it. Come on. Ready to watch these amazing hockey skills? Oh, darn it. I missed again. Oh, God. Let's try. He sucks. Hit the puck. There it is. Come back. Oh, God. All right, we gotta go. All right, so see us later. All right. Jay Ben Central, signing off. Jay Ben Central.